Jai Jagannath, welcome to my channel Speak English Fluently. Today we will talk about a very general conversation. What do you mean a conversation? ଜଣେ ଜଣକୁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ତାହାକୁ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣେ ଉତ୍ତର ଦିଅନ୍ତି. That is called a conversation. Right guys? So let's get started friends. ତୁମ ନାମ କ'ଣ? What's your name? What's your name? Suppose ମୋ ନାଁ ପ୍ରଭାତ. My name is ପ୍ରଭାତ. My name is ପ୍ରଭାତ. ତୁମ ବାପାଙ୍କ ନାମ କ'ଣ? What's your father's name? What's your father's name? Suppose ମୋ ବାପାଙ୍କ ନାମ ସନ୍ତୋଷ. My father's name is Santosh. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଚାହଁ? What do you want? What do you want? ମୁଁ MBS spoken English ବହିଟିଏ ଚାହେଁ. I want a spoken English book of MBS. I want a spoken English book of MBS. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଲେଖୁଛ? What are you writing? What are you writing? ଚିଠି ଲେଖୁଛ. A letter. A letter. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହଁ? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? କିଛି ନୁହେଁ. Nothing. Nothing. ତୁମ ବାପା କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି? What's your father? What's your father? ସେ ଜଣେ ପ୍ରକାଶକ. Is a publisher. Is a publisher. ତୁମ ମା କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି? What's your mother? What's your mother? ସେ ଘର କାମ କରନ୍ତି. She is a housewife. She is a housewife. ତୁମର କେତେ ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ? How many brothers and sisters have you? How many brothers and sisters have you? Suppose ମୋର ଦୁଇ ଭାଇ ଗୋଟିଏ ଭଉଣୀ. I have two brothers and one sisters. I have two brothers and one sisters. ତୁମ ଭଉଣୀ ନାମ କ'ଣ? What is the name of your sister? What is the name of your sister? Suppose Sonali is my ଭଉଣୀ. Sonali is my sister. Sonali is my sister. ତୁମ ଭାଇମାନେ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି? What are your brothers? What are your brothers? ମୋ ଶୁଭମ ଭାଇ ପଢ଼ୁଛି. ଓମ୍ ଭାଇ ଗୋଟିଏ କମ୍ପାନୀରେ କାମ କରୁଛି. Yeah, my brother Shubham is studying and Om is working in a company. My brother Shubham is studying and Om is working in a company. ତୁମେ ଏବେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ? What are you doing this days? What are you doing this days? ପଢ଼ୁଛି. Studying. Studying. ତୁମେ ଆଗ୍ରାରେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲ? What have you seen in Agra? What have you seen in Agra? ତାଜମହଲ. ତାଜମହଲ. ତୁମେ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିଲ? What did you write to your father? What did you write to your father? ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଫଳ ସମ୍ପର୍କେ. About my result. About my result. ଦଶମ ପାସ୍ କରିବା ପରେ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିବ? What will you do after passing high school? What will you do after passing high school? ଆଗକୁ ପଢ଼ିବି. I'll study further. I'll study further. Friends, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. Keep practice.